Is your system execution path interrupted by the Dpapi module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start fixing Dpapi module manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This DLL file is the Windows Data Protection API library. It provides a simple and secure way for applications to encrypt and decrypt sensitive data, such as passwords and browser history, tied directly to the user's login. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The Dpapi module DLL belongs to the Windows System Core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Dpapi module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like the Dpapi module DLL in your System32 folder. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing the Dpapi module. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the Dpapi module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.